Hello and thanks for joining me for taking a brief time out of your day. This is Mark Smith in Pontiac, Illinois. Very briefly, National Credit Associates will remove all negative or derogatory credit permanently and legally, or we'll pay you $10,000 back. That's right, we're going to remove everything permanently and legally, or we'll guarantee it, or we'll give you $10,000 back. Visit us at nationalcredit10000.com or diversifyconcepts.net. Give us a call at 815-528-5441. Again, that's nationalcredit10000.com. We include all three major credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. We will remove all negative and permanently all negative and derogatory credit. Give us a call, 815-528-5441. Visit us, nationalcredit10000.com. Look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.